Hello everyone, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku. In this today's newspaper on Wednesday. It's Wednesday, September the 16th, 2020. Yes. The second regular Sudoku is a medium Sudoku. Let me focus this Sudoku. This will be number 1538. And before I start, I always count the printed digits so you can compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 star Sudokus in the additional. And the 1 star Sudoku has 27 printed digits. I do not know how many this one has. This Sudoku medium, let me count. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, plus 2 is 10, 13, 16, 19, plus 2 is 21, plus 2 is 23, plus 3 is equal to 26. So if you compare, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. We see here in the third row 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 3. In this big square, we have the 5 and the 3 here. So no 5 and the 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. 5 and the 3. 5 and the 3. That means the other 3 numbers in this row should be the 1, the 2, and the 9. 1, 2, 9. We see here 1. So no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be here. The 2 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair, it's a pair, it's a pair. Alright, we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 6, the 7, and the 8. 6, 7, and an 8. We see here 7 and 8. So no 7 and 8 in this box. The 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. So 1 box left for the 6. Alright. And now, can we, yes, 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 4 should be there. And then, how about the number? The number in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. And look, we have marked those 2 boxes with the 8. In this row, we have an 8. So this cannot be an 8. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 9 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there and the 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then, how about the number? Let me see the number. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only two places for the 4 should be here. Oh, there we see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, alright. And now, let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. Those numbers are the 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there, and the 9 goes there. 1 digit left in this first row for the number 9. 2 digits left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. I cannot fill this yet, but it's a pair. So I mark them for you, so you can follow it easier. Alright. Let me see which number can I use? Yeah. How about yeah. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so in the column between, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in these two boxes. There are 3, no 3 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This column, the third column, 3 missing numbers. Well, actually 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, so no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And then, yeah. How about the number 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 6 and 5. 6 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then how about let me see these two numbers. The 1 is missing and the 8 is missing in the last row. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be there, and the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be a 7. 1 box left in this column for the number 2. Then we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 7. Then 2 boxes left in the third column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and a 7 is missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 6 goes there. Then 8 in this row. 8 in that row, so in the middle row. The only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first column. 8 in the third column, so in the column between. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 6 and 7. 6 and 7, we see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 5, and this should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and 1 goes there. 1 number left in this row, middle row for the number 5. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 1 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on in a minute. With the third regular Sudoku. It will be a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. See you later. Bye bye for now.